What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today is Thursday, June 18th, and I don't know if you heard that train, my bad. And today I made $700 trading Nasdaq on my combine challenge, whatever. So going into today, I was actually really bullish. And we're actually pushing bullish right now. And the reason I was bullish is because yesterday we filled in this inefficiency, and I saw that as my draw of the day yesterday. And so today I was just really looking to push higher towards these all-time highs. I took a I took a short today though. I'll get into that in a minute, but like I said, I was bullish. We had this hourly, I mean this 4 hour accumulation, then we distributed down yesterday. And so I was really looking for that distribution back up. As you can see, no camera today. I look utterly chopped. Um, but going into today, what did I see heading into market open? Well, market open, we push lower, and with that, I essentially switched my bias like right before I took this trade, and should I have done that? Um, I think I got a good trade in, but like I said, my bias was bullish, and overall today has been pretty choppy. Just looking at this, but going on 15 minute, we're clearly going a little higher. So I entered off this 5 minute gap, and why did I switch my bias to shorts? To be completely honest, I didn't like the way market like I wanted it to be clearly bullish, and it wasn't being clearly bullish. So I was like, are we still trying to be a little bearish? Are we trying to go a little lower, maybe resweep the low? And oh, that's why I was bullish, but it didn't take out any objectives lower. This is what I mean. This 15-minute candle, I wanted this 15 minute or the next 15 minute to take out these lows. I wanted we were close to a SMT. I wanted I wanted ES or Nasdaq. Oh shoot, to take out this low or this low so we could take a trade higher. We never got that. And because we never got an SMT, I was thinking, okay, well maybe we're gonna want to take a short to these lows because I was only willing to take a long if we took out some sort of like higher time frame or create a higher time frame SMT. And we never did that. And so that's why I switched my bias to shorts. We started disrespecting bullish gaps. As you can see, this 5 minute displays very well through these 5 minute bullish gaps. And I just took a continuation trade. Um, Now I will say though, this trade in particular, I got it was like, ooh, like I was not getting edged, but like it was pretty close. So I got filled. It's not right. I got filled right there, and it instantly started like going towards my um stop loss. Stay patient. And then my my take profit was actually right here. It was actually 1 to 2. So that was my original that was my original trade, but why did I stop out right here? Honestly, I was already up like 1,000. So like guys, I might have did something stupid. This was $1,000 trade. It says real profit and loss 700, and that's because your boy last night during Asia session decided to be a dumbass and take take something. I forgot. Um, yeah, so I lost 300. I lost 300 on that trade. So actually, I made $1,000 on this trade. But yeah. But why? yeah, why did I take profit right here? It was just $1,000. It was higher. It was higher chances of this hitting instead of trying to go for but maybe extra 200. I think this was, even though I would have took it. It's an eval. But yeah, I was already up 1,000. I just exited right there. And I got pretty lucky if you ask me because like as soon as I took profit, and then oh my God, I don't know why I didn't mention this. Like I'm so bad at explaining this when it comes to recording, and I don't feel like editing. So I want my trade recaps to be unedited because I don't feel like editing. We had AMD. We had this chop before I usually trade, so I only trade at 8:45. We started getting AMD. We started accumulation, manipulation higher, and then what did I say when I? So let me tell you this. I did not enter as soon as. So you know how I told you I was actually bullish, bro. I didn't enter this trade until like it was like all the way up here. It was like all the way up here, and then like I got a late entry. I got a very late entry. So yeah, I entered right here. See, you see how it tapped into this 5 minute like five times? I think I entered like right here, even though it started right here. And that's when I switched my bias because I was like, well, we got this chop, we got this manipulation up, we entered this 5 minute gap, and we have an objective lower. Higher time frame was bullish. I will say that is why this is not a super high chance trade, but I was just fortunate in taking my piece of the pie early because had I been in this trade a second longer, I would have got break even or probably knowing no, actually I probably would have got break even. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this recap. Um I'll talk to you guys later.